The U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments today on a law that would ban the social media app TikTok from the U.S. market unless the company is sold. Congress approved the law last April, citing national security concerns. TikTok's parent company is based in China.
The law is designed to block distribution of the TikTok app in the U.S. unless its owner, which is a company called ByteDance, sells it off by a deadline of January the 19th. So the law would make it illegal for companies like Apple or Google to have TikTok in their app stores for users in the US. This case really comes down to a battle between two principles that matter an awful lot to Americans: the need for national security versus the First Amendment right to free speech. So on TikTok's side, we heard lawyers arguing that this law is a fundamental violation of that right to free speech, that the effect of it would be to stop free expression on TikTok.
The government has never threatened to shut down a speech platform in this country because of the ideas expressed on that platform.
Now, the argument that the court heard on behalf of the U.S. government is that this is not a free speech case, that the law in no way targets the content of what people post on TikTok, that merely it targets who owns TikTok. And this falls in line with a long history in the U.S. of legally restricting foreign ownership on, say, broadcast outlets, for instance. Now, while it could be many weeks before we get an actual full-scale ruling or decision from the court, TikTok asked the justices to issue either an interim stay or an injunction, so basically pausing or stopping the law before it takes effect 9 days from now.